Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you're on Windows 10, don't be surprised about something that might pop up. Some users on Reddit have already said they see a new pop-up in Windows 10. But this time, it's to tell you that at the end of next year, the Windows 10 operating system is actually end of support. So this is what it looks like. It shows a new journey picture here. Learn more, and it will tell you about what Windows 11 is all about a little bit. You can prepare for that. But basically what it says, a new journey with Windows. We want to thank you for your loyalty as a Windows 10 customer. As end of support for Windows 10 approaches, we're here to support you on your PC journey. Your PC is not eligible to upgrade to Windows 11, but it will continue to receive Windows 10 fixes and security updates until support ends on October 14th, 2025. Learn more about how you can prepare for the transition to Windows 11, which would mean buying a new PC according to them. But don't, fear. Your PC is still good until October 2025. And in October 2025, you'll probably be able to, if you wish, keep your PC and just use the tricks to upgrade it to Windows 11 unsupported. It's going to work fine, and you'll be able to continue using it with Windows 11. It should be okay. Of course, the transition is happening, and there's more and more people that are thinking, what should I do? Will I buy a new PC? What will I do exactly next? And with the Windows 11 having kind of a turning point into AI, some are thinking of a new PC with NPUs because they want to be there for the future of what's all going to happen. And of course, there's alternatives out there. A lot of people here are fans of Linux. Depending on what you do, Linux could be fine. People that don't do much usually are okay. And it should work on most systems, but it's a learning curve for most users. And it's not compatible with a lot of stuff for Windows. I see these Linux guys saying, oh, well, no, you do everything on Linux. You don't. And it's far from being you do everything on Linux. If you know hardware and specific softwares that are needed, no, you don't. And it's something that I think needs to be taken into consideration. And of course, new PCs are possible, and it could be a Chromebook, it could be anything. Depends what you do. And anyways, as we go through with this until October 2025, we'll have all sorts of videos to help you out and see where do we go from here and what do we do. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.